There's his ball. Horse weasel.
And I wish I had Jason back.
Well, you shouldn't have gave it to me. Because that's why you know you're gonna not be scared of him and you won't know. Unless you bought 2 of them, you should have bought 2. Oh, careful, that might break the shed. Jason, Mother is talking to you.
I really miss when I used to have my Jason.
What?
I really miss when I had my Jason. Makes me sad that I didn't miss that. I should have not been scared of him. I should have just.
I know.
We knew that he was. I wanted to see the big Jason.
You do now. And I wish I got the little Fred and you could have, and then you had the Jason, but I wish I had Jason too. I wish I had all of them.
What if they made a little mini chainsaw?
You can move his arm.
Cool.
That,
you can move this.
See, if it's down here like this, Lucas, it won't move. But if you put it up like this, it will move. Kind of better.
I wish I had this. I wish the knife was in this hand and you